Welcome. So in this video, we are going to be looking at some of the frames, new frames that Canva has added into the dashboard. So first of all, I'm going to create a design. I'm going to go for, say, a basic Instagram post, just opening up a template so that I can show you these awesome frames. So I want a photo. I want to add a lovely image into a frame. I've got some great vintagey ones I've been using just lately, so I'm going to use one of these. So I've added my frame into my, photo into my design. I'm going to go up here to click Edit Image. Now you can scroll down or you can type in frames, click See All, and then it brings up these amazing frames that you can pop your image into. So if I click laptop, for example, it will put it into the laptop frame automatically. I can try a mobile phone, a Polaroid, there's some glitter frames, film frames, for example, gold circle. As you can see, it's so easy to automatically add your image into one of these frames. I think that's probably my favorite. So it's super easy to get to. You can add in your image. Let me get that bigger. Add your image to your design. Head over to Edit Image, type in frames or scroll down. It remembers what you've used recently. Click See All, and then you can just choose one of the frames that you want to use. Once you know which frame you're going to use, click Apply, and it will, as you see, decrease your edges, so you can now do as you wish with your graphic. So you can now use this within your design. You can add some text, change the background colors, you know, you could just use this as is. This is a lovely frame on its own. You could just add in your business name, for example, and you've got an amazing image. So there we go. That is how you very quickly add an image into a frame using the new frame feature in Canva.